Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your Reels watch history on Instagram, so you'll never lose track of a video you've already seen. Follow along step by step to see all your previously watched Reels. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app on your phone and tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Your Activity. Scroll down and tap Watch History. Here, you'll see every reel you've watched before. At the top, you'll notice some filters. You can sort your history from newest to oldest or oldest to newest, choose a specific date range, or even filter by a particular creator to only see their reels. If you want to remove videos from your watch history, it's easy. Tap Select in the top right corner, choose the videos you want to delete, then tap Remove at the bottom. A pop-up will appear, just tap Remove again to confirm, and they'll be gone. And that's it. Now you know how to access and manage your Reels watch history on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tech fixes.